Can you create a custom GPT powered chatbot for your website in 4 minutes? That's what this says. In 4 minutes. Let's find out. My name is Jordan Wilson with Everyday AI. I'll talk to you about that in a second. Let's jump right in and let's look at this tool, Algomo, that says you can create a customer support kind of chatbot powered by AI. Let's see how quickly we can do it. All right. So all I did so far is I signed up for an account. You didn't miss anything. We're starting from the beginning. So let's go through this together. This isn't pre-recorded. This is live. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And remember, before you use a tool like this, make sure that you understand any privacy, data, confidentiality concerns with uploading any information to any generative AI tool. I don't care right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to put it on youreverydayai.com. That is the website. This is Everyday AI. More on that soon. Let's see if we can get this in under 4 minutes. All right. So it says onboarding completed. You can now test your widget. So I'm going to say, what is Everyday AI? And we'll see if it's any good. Again, that was a couple seconds. So it might not be totally ready yet. I like how it instantly has a preview on the right-hand side. It does say you can test your widget. It was a little slow, but it got there. So it says Everyday AI refers to the application of artificial intelligence in everyday life. Not really what I'm looking for. So let's be a little more specific. What is your everydayai.com? So the first thing, I got an error, right? The company is Everyday AI. This chatbot, I put in the URL. So it might not be done training yet. I get it. That was only 20, 30 seconds. So I might have to go in and check some of these, looks like on the left-hand side here, data sources. So now we have this correct. So now it's saying youreverydayai.com is the official website of Everyday AI. It is a platform that offers, okay, so now we have correct information, but the first time it was just pulling up some random things from the internet. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do inside here. So we have an inbox. So again, this is for customer support. So when you kind of see this this chat history. So again, this Algomo has a free plan and a paid plan, but if you put this out on your website, you can then have human agents go in and essentially, take over conversations with your website visitors. So that's like what the inbox is. Then we have, let's see, chatbots. So it looks like you can create different chatbots, probably trained with different data. Then we can do data sources. So this is what I want to kind of figure out here. Let's see what the options are. So you can create a new data source. Let's see. I can select different ones, delete them. So let's just click this and see what happens. So it says search the web, which I don't want to happen. There we go. So I need to click index your website, and it says this will initiate a full scrape of your website. So it says it's going to take a while. So we'll see. I normally like to do these very live. But this one, it might be a little difficult, but we're gonna let that keep going, and it's probably gonna keep going as we wait. So let's look at the widgets. So this is how you would display this on your website. So that's important to understand. You will build it inside of the Algomo kind of platform, and then you will install this on your website. So you can also put a contact form in there, which is great. You can require or enable different fields like name, email, phone number, company name. So if you're using this for customer support, and now you'll see it's kind of scraping my the Everyday AI website to gather all of that information, you would probably want to have a contact form for to capture lead information. So there's different behaviors that you can do. You can select a different chatbot as you build different ones. So maybe you have one for sales. Maybe you have one for marketing. Maybe you have one for customer support. So that's kind of what the widget options are. Let's go ahead. So you can change some of the basic functions. The content that pops up when, so by default, it just says, how can we help you? Web analytics, you can do some tracking with Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics. And then for script, it's pretty easy. If you know much about any kind of web design, all this is it's a single piece of JavaScript, and you would put that in the head tag of your website, which you can do through a tool like Google Tag Manager. So not super difficult to integrate. So let's see if our data source is done yet. So it looks like it's still processing. So again, normally we don't do this, but I'm going to go ahead and pause this. All right, I'm not going to edit anything. I'm going to pause it for a second and we'll check back in. All right, and we're back. So it took about 9 minutes for this to go. So I normally don't like to pause these AI in fives, but in this instance, I thought it'd be worth it because the default mode that you can set up a chatbot, yeah, you can get it done in 3-4 minutes, maybe less, but all it does is search the internet, which is not super useful or relevant for your business. But now you can see right here under data sources, it says that 200, I think it's a limit, but it says 200 pages were discovered and 200 pages were processed. So now I should, in theory, have a better chatbot that works a little bit more. So let's go ahead and try this again, see if we can launch it here. Let's see. I'm trying to remember how I can even go there. The inbox. Nope. Widgets. Yeah, I think this is how we do it. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try this again. All right, we figured it out. Had to go to click the test mode right there. All right, so let's try this again with some of the same questions to see if it did it better. So I'm going to say, what is everyday AI? So last time we got an incorrect answer and it just gave us a broad definition. So let's see now that it's crawled everything if we got a better option here. So I didn't. It still gave us a general one, but not the worst thing because I know that you can go in there and you can program different responses, but that does, if I'm being honest, that does kind of take away the power of building a chatbot. If I would like for there to be a way to restrict any queries to just what's on the website. So let me try again. Let me ask what episodes can help me market my business. So now on our website, Everyday AI, we have 99 different episodes up. So let's see if it understands a basic. I think it's a basic question. So it's if it crawled all 200 of these websites, it should know. So right here it says you can check out the episode titled AI Secrets to Supercharge Your Marketing to learn AI tips and tricks for marketing your business. And then let me just go ahead and click the link there. And it brings up web search results, which is interesting. But then I can go ahead and click that. And it looks like it would open it in a new window, perhaps. So essentially what it looks like it's doing is it's still kind of searching the web, but it did provide a relevant answer. So let me try something else. Let me ask a question. Who was the guest on Everyday AI that talked about HR? She was from IBM. Let's see if we can get that one. So we're putting it to the test. Again, we're going over this Algomo that said you can create a GPT-powered chatbot trained on your own data. So this one, let's see. So it says the guest from IBM who talked about HR in episode was Jen Kirkwood. So that is correct. So and then I can click this and it's bringing up, again, the web search results. So there's some things that I like about this platform, some things that I don't. But if you need something quickly that can help with customer support, maybe sales and marketing, Algomo is worth a try. Again, I didn't get into all of the details and the specifics because I wanted to keep this a short video. But you can go into data sources, click on your bot, and let's see. Let's try that one more time. Data sources, click on your bot. It went to intent. So again, I can go to create. There we go. Create new data source. I can upload files. So drop in, PDFs. integrations. You can go to Notion, intents. So that's the other thing. You can create groups of intents for more structured responses. So, in my case, I was getting, when I said, what is everyday AI? It was bringing up random information from the internet. So you can kind of create these intents. Contacts is where all your different contacts go. Integrations, you can integrate with email, Slack, HubSpot, and Zapier. So mixed bag. I think it was a pretty good tool. There might be better. I'm not sure, but let me know what you think. Please go to youreverydayai.com. Sign up for the free daily newsletter. The website might look a little different because we've got some new things coming. So this was a longer AI in 5. It was an AI in 11. But thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you back for another AI in 5. Thanks, y'all.